orchards. In the world of premium dates, excellence begins long before harvest. It starts here.
Our journey begins in the sprawling date palm orchards, where nature's patience nurtures the sweetest fruits. Dates mature slowly, developing their rich flavor and natural sweetness over time.
Careful irrigation and soil management ensure healthy palms and abundant fruit. Experienced hands assess fruit maturity to determine the perfect harvest time.
Pollination is a vital step, often assisted by skilled workers to maximize fruit set.
The transformation from blossom to ripe date is a slow and delicate process. Integrated pest management protects the orchard while preserving the ecosystem.
Before harvest, the team prepares meticulously to ensure efficiency and quality.
Each date's texture and color tell the story of its quality and ripeness. As the day ends, the orchard rests emblem, ready for the next step in the date's journey. Harvesting begins with expert hands, carefully gathering ripe date clusters from towering palms. Each cluster is handled delicately to preserve the fruit's quality. Initial sorting in the field removes unripe or damaged dates, ensuring only the best proceed. Sorted dates are transported promptly to maintain freshness.
Quality inspection begins in the field to guide further processing.
Refrigerated transport preserves date freshness during transit.
Cleaning in the field helps reduce impurities before processing. Freshly harvested dates begin their journey to the processing facility. At the facility, dates are prepared for thorough cleaning and quality checks. From orchard to factory, the journey of dates continues with care and precision.
Each crate is handled with care to preserve the delicate fruit inside.
Dates are spread out for thorough visual inspection under optimal lighting.
Skilled workers separate premium dates from those requiring further processing. Foreign objects are swiftly identified and removed to guarantee safety. Advanced technology complements manual inspection to ensure consistent quality. Inspection data is recorded meticulously for traceability and quality control. Supervisors analyze data to maintain the highest standards. Approved dates move forward for thorough cleaning and sanitization.
With quality assured, dates are prepared for the next stage of processing.
Dates undergo rigorous industrial washing to remove dust, dirt, and impurities.
High-pressure jets ensure every date is thoroughly cleaned. Sanitizing baths eliminate harmful microorganisms, ensuring food safety. Rinsing removes any residual sanitizing agents, leaving dates fresh and clean.
Drying prepares dates for moisture control and further processing.
Continuous quality checks ensure washing effectiveness and safety.
Regular maintenance keeps equipment running smoothly and hygienically.
Clean dates are transported carefully to the next stage of processing.
With washing and sanitizing complete, dates are ready for drying and grading. After washing, dates enter drying tunnels, where controlled heat reduces moisture to preserve freshness.
Uniform drying is critical to prevent mold and maintain the natural sweetness.
Experts continuously monitor moisture levels to ensure optimal drying.
Non-invasive sensors measure moisture content to guarantee quality without damaging the fruit.
Advanced automation maintains precise environmental conditions throughout the drying process.
Regular sampling ensures every batch meets strict moisture standards. Airflow circulation accelerates drying while preserving the dates' texture and flavor.
Once dried, dates are transported carefully to maintain their quality.
Proper storage conditions lock in freshness until dates move to the next processing phase. With moisture perfectly controlled, dates are ready for sorting, grading, and packaging.
After drying, dates enter the sorting facility, where advanced machines classify them by size and quality.
Optical sensors analyze each date, ensuring only the finest make it through.
Manual inspection complements automation to guarantee top quality.
Air jets precisely separate dates by grade, maintaining product consistency.
Data-driven sorting ensures consistent quality across every batch. Graded dates are carefully transported to packaging lines. Each grade meets specific standards for size, color, and quality. Our sorting facility combines cutting-edge technology with skilled oversight.
With sorting complete, dates are ready for pitting, trimming, and packaging.
In the pitting facility, dates are carefully processed to remove seeds without damaging the fruit.
Advanced machinery ensures efficient and gentle seed removal. Seeds are separated cleanly, preserving the integrity of the dates. Trimming machines refine the dates' appearance for premium quality. Manual inspection ensures only the finest pitted dates proceed.
Finished dates are transported carefully to maintain freshness and quality.
Regular quality checks guarantee premium standards. Careful handling preserves the delicate texture of pitted dates. Continuous monitoring ensures optimal machine performance. With pitting and trimming complete, dates are ready for final quality testing and packaging.
Ensuring food safety is paramount. Our state-of-the-art laboratory rigorously tests dates for contaminants and quality.
Metal detectors identify and remove any foreign particles to guarantee product safety. Metal detectors identify and remove any foreign particles to guarantee product safety.
Samples are meticulously prepared to detect any microbial contamination.
Our experts analyze data to maintain the highest quality and safety. Our experts analyze data to maintain the highest quality and safety. All testing data is securely logged for transparency and compliance.
Automated systems swiftly remove any contaminated products to protect consumers. Final inspections ensure every date meets our premium standards.
With safety assured, dates are ready for packaging and delivery.
Our state-of-the-art packaging line fills bags with premium dates at high speed. Precision filling ensures consistent weight and quality in every package.
Sealing locks in freshness, protecting dates from moisture and air.
Our labeling system ensures every package is clearly branded and ready for the market. Skilled operators ensure smooth operation and immediate response to any issues.
Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards.
Finished packages are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment.
Careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition. Our dates begin their journey to markets around the world.
Finally, our premium dates reach consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
Continuous monitoring maintains ideal conditions to prevent spoilage. Regular inspections ensure every package meets our strict standards before distribution. Efficient logistics prepare dates for timely delivery to markets worldwide.
Branded packaging ensures dates arrive fresh and recognizable to customers.
Our dates begin their journey to markets around the globe. From orchard to market, every step is carefully managed to deliver premium dates worldwide. Finally, our premium dates reach consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
And that's how premium dates are cultivated, processed, and delivered a leasehold, from farm to table.
From the first seed to the final package, every step reflects passion, precision, and care.